What's up? Alright, so this is the third attempt at an intro. First one, I accidentally deleted. Second one, I accidentally deleted. But this one, I'm not going to delete. So, this video we're putting on the carbon fiber trunk deck. As you probably saw by the thumbnail. But, we went with SEIBON, I don't know. Call it whatever you want to call it. But type CSL, and with COVID and everything, it took like 4 months to get here, which is kind of crazy. But it is what it is. I mean, it's made to order, so it's all good. But here is the install, and then I'll follow up with kind of how hard it was to put on and where I ran into some issues and stuff like that. But hope you enjoy. Thanks. Well, package 102 has arrived. What could it be? Alright, so yesterday we ran out of light. I just couldn't see a dang thing. But I did notice this. This happened yesterday. I don't know what happened. I've had these things for 2.5 years and never had any issues. And that just happened. But focusing on this today, because now I got to get taillights. So we got to get that the trunk garnish on there. Got to put the LED lights for the license plate grommets, the key, and so I just got to mount that stuff. I ran into some trouble yesterday, as you saw, trying to mount the clips for the tail lights, or for the license plate lights. They have a tight seal, so it's kind of hard to get in there. I don't want to break anything, but we're gonna work on it again, see how we can get it to go. Everything's in the trunk, so let's go. Well, here it is. Final results. That weave. Ooh. Yeah, so fitment, really good. Body lines are pretty good. I gotta make some adjustments, not much. But everything went pretty smooth. The headlight, or the LED, or not LED, the license plate lights were the only thing that were a pain in the butt, but the housings where it clips in on the actual housing of the bulbs, like the factory piece that you reuse, was too wide, so I just had to trim it down. You probably saw it in the time lapse of me using a folding knife to just take off the edges, which was pretty easy, but I didn't know where it was contacting. So the only thing left to do now is we're gonna put some foam padding here so that our license plate doesn't wear any like low marks in the actual clear coat. So, but dang, that's clear. It's pretty awesome. Loving it.